telling a funny story yesterday, Danielle?
I do.
Okay, so we're sitting at the table, and I just got this belt buckle. See, it only has two little things and a big gut like mine. Pop these things out. So as soon as they said Premier Ford come up, bang, my belt buckle fell off. And that was it. I was doing.
So he had a choice of whether to put it back on or just whip the belt right off. And he whipped the belt off, and I was saying to Scott, if this pants falls down during this
I'll tell you,
stage.
that would not be good. I know I have a body like Arnold Schwarzenegger, but what do you do?
Wasn't nice.
I had it ready for the first one. Yeah, what you just call it. There we go. There we go. It's the crazy thing. That's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful.
Fantastic.